Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs is famous for its scenery, rock formations, and other unique geological features like Pikes Peaks and the Garden of the Gods. The city is located at the base of the Rocky Mountains and it has many trails and parks to explore. So, in this vlog, I'm going to take you to the Royal Gorge Bridge and Park, which is an amusement park famous for America's highest suspension bridge. The park offers many attractions to explore and adventure activities. Next, we visited Garden of the Gods, where magnificent landscape and incredible towering rock formations will blow your mind. So here is what we did on our 6th day of road trip. Good morning, guys. Colorado Spring में हम लोगों ने एक Airbnb बुक किया है. So I just want to show around. कल बहुत जोर से स्नोफॉल हो रहा था तो एवरीवेयर इट्स वाइट कम्प्लीटली. सो जस्ट हैव अ लुक अराउंड. मैं अंदर लेके चलती हूँ, आपको दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ से एंटर करने के बाद ये काइंड ऑफ सीटिंग एरिया है. यहाँ पे क्रिसमस है तो लोगों ने क्रिसमस ट्री रखा है. This side is a fireplace. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी छोटे छोटे souvenirs रखे हैं. फिर ये साइड में बेडरूम है जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट मेस किया है. इस साइड में बाथरूम एरिया है. ये साइड में भी और एक बेडरूम है और दिस साइड इज किचन. और आई थिंक सो किचन हैज एवरीथिंग. And this side is a dining area and baby is making, I think so, coffee. Baby, which coffee are you making?
Classic roast coffee.
Okay, I'm going down now. So I'll just show you the down area. From here you can go down. There is one more entrance from here. And this is the backyard. Generally every house has. और यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने ग्रिल के लिए रखा है. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे हाउसेस ऐसे देखे. इट हैज़ ए ह्यूज बेसमेंट. यहाँ पे छोटा ही है बट इट्स प्रीटी गुड. Alright, we all set for today and driving through these lanes and passing these houses, everything looks so pretty. Colorado Springs downtown area is huge. It has many restaurants, shops, breweries, galleries, public art and historic architecture. We soon found ourselves leaving the city area and moving towards our first stop. Winter weathers are so unpredictable. Sometimes crazy snowfall and in the next moment bright sunny blue sky. It takes around 58 miles to reach Royal Gorge Bridge and Park from Colorado Springs.
Okay.
If they open, you're welcome to go on.
Okay. And for the Plain and Plaza Theatre is also here?
They're on the other side of the bridge.
So guys, हम लोगों ने अभी टिकट ले लिया अंदर से और which was for $25 per person. अगर जनरल एडमिशन आपको लेना है तो. और अगर आपको जिप लाइन और कोस्टल राइड करनी है तो उसके लिए अलग है. और यहाँ पे जनरली बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ है. This is the Royal Gorge Bridge, which is the highest and most famous suspension bridge in America. This incredible iconic feat is standing 956 feet above the river. All you have to do is walk over this bridge and experience this attraction yourself while looking into the deep sheer rock wall canyon and breathtaking scenery. So now we are on this bridge. This is the Royal Gorge Railroad line through the Colorado's grandest canyon. Sometimes you will get to see the train from above, and you can have this incredible experience by taking this tour. Alright, next moving further ahead, we cross the bridge and come towards the other side of the bridge. Here is the enclosed 3-story playland for kids. From here, you can also go to the Sky Coaster ride.
वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था हम दैट पॉइंट और वहाँ से यहाँ तक आ गए और यहाँ पे मूवी थिएटर है और जो मैंने आपको बोला जिप लाइन और गंडोला राइड इज दैट साइड हम लोग गंडोला राइड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज हम लोगों ने टिकट ले लिया है बट हम लोग को नहीं करना.
Let's moving further ahead, we are going towards the theatre side. This is the Plaza Theatre where you can enjoy mini documentary all about the awe-inspiring history, fun facts, drama and scenery surrounding the park.
Okay guys, so basically the people who are traveling in summer, they have plenty of things to do. Because of winter, so many trails are closed and hardly things are open.
After exploring park, we are again on the road and weather looks great. It looks pleasant, but it's very cold. Next moving ahead, we are driving towards our next stop, which is Garden of the Gods. So much to do here, whether you enjoy hiking, biking, rock climbing or guided nature walks. But of course, in winters, there are limitations. Less than an hour and a half from downtown Denver, stunning red rock formations, miles of hiking trails and many adventure activities make this place worth visiting. With over 15 miles of trails, you could definitely spend a day at this park. However, the majority of these iconic formations can be viewed from one central location that you will come to know once you drive inside the park. I have not seen such a formation of rocks before, so for me it's amazing to watch them. Truly speaking, you will enjoy this sight. We are short on time, so we decided to visit the Perkins Central Garden Trail first. It is paved and easily accessible in all seasons. From here, you can experience the highest rock formations of the park. If time permits, you can also take Ridge Trail and Twins Trail, which are easy and moderate level. The original 480 acres of this park used to be owned by one man, Charles Eliot Perkins. who bought this land with the intent to build a summer home on it. However, this never happened. After his death, his children donated the land to the city of Colorado Springs under the condition that the park will remain forever free and open to the public. That being said, there is no admission fee to enter and enjoy this natural wonder.
और as you can see around me और बहुत सारी जगह पे ऐसे फॉर्मेशन भी है. It's like a gufa as you can go inside. Like this is the smaller one. There is one more that is the bigger one that side. But yeah, this place is really amazing. Come this side. Be careful. और मैं आपको दूसरी गुफा दिखाती हूँ.
तरी जास्त आपण नको ते रॅटल्स नाही असते बोलत आठवते ना.
So ये दूसरी गुफा है as you can see. And really amazing formation of the rocks. So yeah, let's go down. So we are almost done from here because already अंधेरा हो चुका है और हम लोग को जितना पॉसिबल हुआ हम लोगों ने कवर किया है. So if we get a time, we might come back again because we are here for 2-3 days. We really like this place. और बहुत सारे हाइकिंग ट्रेल्स हैं तो हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट नहीं किए. And it's already dark over here. So we are moving from here. Bye. And can you just see the moon over there?
We explore parks by taking small trails. Because of snow, it was difficult to walk and cover many area. What a moment! Chilled air, sublime rock formations, and dramatic moonlight. Next, moving ahead towards our apartment, on our way, we took a stop at Yellow Mountain Tea House.
So we are going to the tea house. First time यहाँ पे टी हाउस दिखा है.